Hey guys, it's Courtney and Seth here today, and today we are back at Universal Orlando Resort. We are staying at the Endless Summer Surfside Inn and Suites. We stayed at the sister hotel before, and now we get to stay here and cover this one for you guys. So we're going to take you around the hotel and show you all that it has to offer. So if you'd like to join us, let's go. Tonight we are checking into one of two Endless Summer resorts, Surfside Inn and Suites. Endless Summer has another sister hotel, Dockside Inn and Suites, just across the road. Surfside opened in June of 2019 and has provided family-oriented fun ever since. Being one of Universal's budget-friendly hotels, we will see if this money saver is really worth it. So let's get checked in for our reservation. Alright guys, so we have made it inside. Over here to my left, first thing I noticed is the check-in desk. And let's see what else they have over here. It looks like right over here we have our vacation planning center right here, which is where you can pick up your tickets or any extras that you may have bought. Oh, they also have a little will call kiosk here. Let's see what else they have. And like every other Universal hotel, we do have the Starbucks here in the lobby. And I believe right back over that way is going to be the cafeteria style area. That's really about it here for the front lobby. It's not too big, but it is very cozy. Let's see what else they have. And also here in the lobby, they do have an Avis car rental station. I've only seen this in a couple of other hotels, but it's nice to have, I guess, if you need it.
Over here near Tower 1 is the luggage services. And this resort does have a Universal Studios store, so let's go see what they've got. So right when I come in, I do see a lot of the Harry Potter merch. Continuing to the right over here, they've got a lot of the merch that you can find in the park. So if you happen to forget to grab your favorite thing that you saw or just want to go ahead and grab it now, they've got most of that here. And they've got some jewelry and headbands, swimsuits, flip-flops. They've got some beach towels here, sunglasses, and they've got some merch specific to Endless Summer. So that's going to be a popular item here, especially because it's unique and you can't get those items anywhere but in the resorts. They've also got some medicine, sunscreen, Tide to Go. They've got some other toiletries and things that you may have forgot to pack or don't have.
Alright, so our room is finally ready, so let's head upstairs and we'll just come back down here later to explore the rest of the hotel. Alright guys, so we have made it to our room here. We do have a poolside 2-queen bed room. Right here to the left of the entrance is going to be our closet area. As you can see, there is like a curtain type of area, a little bit different than the other hotels, but same items are inside, like the extra sheets, the hangers, safe, iron and ironing board, and our luggage rack here. And then right here to my right, we do have the bathroom. So let's check this out. We do have a pretty spacious little area here with our vanity and the mirror and things like that. And then over here we do have our bathroom. Looks like we have a tub, and looks like we get some of the toiletries for the Endless Summer, which is surf and sand. And then we also have our bedroom right over here. So the thing that I like about this hotel, and I believe Dockside had this as well, is the underbed storage. So right here, it looks like we can put quite a bit of luggage here on both of the beds. And they also have the little cute lantern touches right here for the lights. So that is super cute as well, right on theme. We also have some more theming over here next to our coffee maker and our ice bucket. And then it looks like this is a rundown service. Looks like they tell you everything you need to know about staying here, including in-room pizza delivery. We have our phone as well. And then lastly, I know it's a little bit dark right now, but you guys can take a look at our pool view room. Looks like there are quite a few people still in the pool. We'll insert some shots now of it during the day so you guys can know what it looks like. But it looks like this is in the shape of either like a fish or a surfboard, not really sure. But either way, on theme as well. But that is our room in a nutshell. We are going to take you guys along with us to the rest of the hotel. It's a little late right now, so we'll see you guys in the morning.
And near the end of each hallway where there's an elevator, they've got some vending machines, ice dispenser, and the laundry. So let's go check out the Beach Break Cafe. So just looking at it from the outside, it is over here near Tower 2, but looks like they've got some grab-and-go options and sort of a cafeteria style, slightly smaller than like at Cabana Bay, but let's go see what they've got for breakfast this morning. So over here in the grab-and-go section, they've got cereals, chips, candy, Pop-Tarts. Looks like in here they'll have some ice cream. They've got endless refill cups, so those will work here at the resort only, but as you can see, they do offer deals for however many days you're going to need, but that way you can come down here and get unlimited refills. Next up in the grab-and-go section, they've got beer, wine, soft drinks, energy drinks, water, milk, all types of those things. I'm probably going to have to grab a few waters while we're here. So the first section here has yogurts, croissants, some sandwiches. You can kind of see some of these sandwiches here are already made, just like the parfaits. Next is the chicken and waffle station, but it does look like they've got plain waffles with specific toppings, chicken and biscuits, and there's your chicken and waffle sandwich. They do have kids options here as well. And here is the All-American breakfast and more. So it looks like they've got a country breakfast. They've got an All-American breakfast, which is scrambled eggs, sausage, bacon, breakfast potatoes, and a biscuit. Looks like you can get things as just a side. They do offer breakfast quesadilla and a breakfast longboard. Those sound good. They've got various pancakes, French toast, and they've got the Surfwich, fried egg BLT, steak and egg sandwich, huevos rancheros, and eggs Benedict. That is one of my favorites. So I don't know if this morning we're gonna get breakfast, but I'm probably gonna have to try something, and we'll definitely show you. The next is a scramble bowl. So they've got meat lovers, Baja scramble bowl, which has chorizo, pepper jack. That's a little spicy. Baja scramble burrito, and a veggie scramble bowl. Or you can even do a build your own, and they've got all the toppings right here for you to choose from. And last up, they've got donuts, bagels, and muffins. They've also got fresh juices here, so kind of get a closer look at some of these. They've got these cinnamon rolls, there's danishes, donuts, here's the fruit bowls, and here's some of those fresh juices. Those look good. I'm kind of interested in the strawberry banana juice. So once you get whatever food options that you want, you'll hop right over here to the cash register and pay for your items. You can use your annual discount here, so that can definitely be a plus if you're deciding to come here and eat. So that pretty much wraps up the cafe for breakfast, but we will flash forward now to show you what they've got for lunch and dinner. Alright, so now let's go through and see what they've got for lunch and dinner. So I did see that they filled up the ice cream there. That wasn't there this morning. Man, I can already tell the smells are completely different than this morning. But looks like over here they've got a build your own salad, 65 cents an ounce, cheese and grapes, chicken salad sandwich. So you can see that it's right here like a whole salad bar there. They've got plates for and bowls for here or to go. This station says roasted chicken and fish. So it looks like it's a hooey hooey chicken, if I'm even pronouncing that right. They've got roasted citrus chicken and simply grilled snapper. And there are the sides there with kids menu as well. Over here, they've got sort of like an Italian options, I suppose. They do have pizzas, chicken wings, larger pizzas. So those first ones were kids options. Breadsticks. They've got chicken tenders, hamburgers, turkey burgers, chicken sandwiches. They've also got quesadillas and a French dip. And lastly over here where they had like the danishes and juices, they do still have some of the juices here, but looks like they're advertising brownies and cupcakes. So continuing on over to Tower 2, we're gonna go check out the game room and fitness center. Looks like the game room is about what you would expect. It's gonna have various racing games, claw machines, basketball, some of the racing games, air hockey. So looks like they've got quite a few things here to choose from while you're here. Next up is the fitness center. It's open 5 to 10 and you gotta have your room card. So I'm just gonna do a quick peek through the window here because it's quite full over here to the left and I don't wanna go in and film people while they're working out. But yeah, it's actually quite large for this size resort. It's a really cool option while you're here. All right, so each tower has its own entrance to the sandbar. So let's go check it out this morning. The sandbar is the bar right here. So they've got a nice big menu here showing us what they've got. So they've got plenty of custom cocktails, frozens, and they've got some taps here. I'm kind of curious if they serve regular food here. I'm gonna try to find a menu around here. I wasn't able to find a food menu, so it may only be drinks, but this is open from 11 a.m. to 11 p.m. So right out here towards the back of the pool here, they've got plenty of seats. And the pool is kind of shaped like a surfboard, which is themed with the resort here. But as you can see, there's nobody out here this morning. It is like 55 degrees, so it feels pretty good in the sun, but you can see all the lifeguards are all bundled up because there's a little breeze out here right now. And they've got plenty of lounge seats like I mentioned before. Looks like they've got some tables over here with some umbrellas and actually some kind of in the back there. So as you get some drinks or maybe bring some food, you've got somewhere to sit. Also, they've got complimentary towels. There's where you'll return those. So that's nice to not have to pack a beach towel or pool towel with you while you come. Here's a quick look at the rules. Yeah, I was looking for that a minute ago. So the pool hours are 9 a.m. to 10 p.m. So that's kind of cool that they've got like a little water splash pad sort of right here at the 0 feet entrance here. But it's a pretty good sized pool. Last night we did see quite a few people out here, but right now it's a little chilly, so no one's enjoying the pool just yet. So right out here, the main entrance here, I just kind of wanted to show you a little bit what it looks like. The road comes in from around the corner there, which we're gonna go over there and look at the bus pickup, but everything loops in through here for the drop-offs and where the buses will let you off. But if you are parking, you'll actually come out this way and they've got a little parking lot, but larger. They have a parking deck, so if you are driving, that's how close you'll be, which isn't too bad to where you are. I guess technically you might be a little closer to this tower, but anywho, let's go see where the bus pickup is. So we've noticed that the fastest way is right outside past the luggage services is the shuttles. So right here is where Volcano Bay would be to pick you up, and then the one a little bit further will take you to City Walk, which is where the parks are. But yeah, here comes one now. Probably going to be dropping some folks off, but more importantly taking people into the parks. And out here near the shuttle, they've got this handy transit map. So for instance, we are right over here at Surfside. I've noticed that sometimes during busy times, they may actually go through and pick up folks from both. I remember when we stayed at Dockside, sometimes we would hop over here on our way and pick up folks at Surfside, but we haven't had that experience yet. So far we've been a direct travel from Surfside all the way to City Walk, but pretty much I just go up that one road there. Alternatively, you actually could walk. We're not going to time that because I know it's going to be quite a bit of a walk, but there are sidewalks that can carry you all the way to the garden pathway. It looks like you probably would end up getting into the left side of City Walk there, but still, everything is nice and knit right here on their property.
Alright guys, so we wanted to wrap up our stay here at the Endless Summer Surfside branch of the Endless Summer Resorts on Universal property. Our stay was pretty good. We did have a couple of issues with, I think, some noisy neighbors, unfortunately. We've only stayed here one other time, and we didn't have any problems with like the walls being too thin. So I'm really just gonna kind of chalk that up to having noisy neighbors. I assume that's what it is. That's really the only problem that we've had. Other than that, we've really enjoyed staying here. It is a very budget-friendly hotel if you're looking to stay on property. We've had the shuttle service basically constantly, maybe because it's the holiday.
Yeah.
And we've really enjoyed the little cafeteria style service downstairs. We've probably eaten from there at least once a day, if not, gotten snacks and drinks and things from down there as well. One thing that I would like to try next time, we just didn't get to try the pool or any of like the pool
it's just a
bars
little
and
cool
food and
right
things.
now for us.
Yeah, it's been a little chilly this week. But really, other than that, it's a pretty standard Universal hotel. Not really much more to say about it other than you really are staying here for that budget friendly.
Yeah, there's nothing too out of the ordinary, I wouldn't think.
Which is a good thing.
Yeah.
But if you're looking for something that's more, I guess, more to do at the hotel, I'd probably say to check out something like Cabana Bay.
Yeah.
It's a little bit bigger, has, the multiple water pool stops, like the lazy river and things like that. But other than that, pretty good visit.
Yeah, it was good.
Yep. But we hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please be sure to like this video, comment, let us know if you've ever stayed here before, and please don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more Universal content coming soon. So until next time, we hope to see you on the next adventure. Bye.